Look at this freshly baked bread from the oven, made by Happy this Sunday morning from this Gourmia air fryer toaster. And I'm making this egg, scrambled egg. This is our Sunday breakfast. Milk that I'll put some coffee later when I warm it up, with this freshly baked bread, one with avocado filling, another one to put some peanut butter with scrambled eggs, strawberries. This is our breakfast for two today. Yum!